So, well, Parker, what do we say? Hi, guys.
Hi guys.
Say, I'm helping my mommy cook.
I'm helping my mommy cook.
Okay, so we're making braised chicken, okay, Parker?
Okay.
In the Instant Pot. Instant Pot. So we have chicken thighs, chicken broth, tomato paste, cornstarch, garlic, onions, and mushrooms cut up, and all the seasonings. What's most important here is the rosemary and thyme because it makes it taste really good. Okay, so we'll season our chicken first. Yeah, mommy season the chicken.
So this is my.
So I'll season the chicken. Here, season those chicken thighs with the seasoning sauce. Then I hit it with a little garlic powder.
So let's set a timer for 25 minutes.
Then we do a little onion powder. Spicy.
Yes.
And then we'll do the rosemary. Whoa. Then we'll add some more at the end too.
So let's set a timer for 15 minutes.
Okay. Next step. Oh, there we go. Next step is to put it on saute. And then I'll add oil to the pan to brown the chicken. So next, I am going to, the Instant Pot is heating up, and we're gonna put the chicken in skin down. So we're gonna grab enough chicken to coat the bottom of the pan.
Hey Google, set a timer for
To
20
brown
minutes.
first. Can you see in the bottom of the burger?
Yes.
And then I'll season the other side. So we gotta do this in 2 batches, okay?
Okay.
Okay, press up. That's really good.
Is that?
Yeah, it's hot. You see that? That's hot. Woo-wee! So now it's almost time to flip it. So let's see. Let's see what it does. So look at that. Getting brown. You can get a little brown. Flip it over. Oh, that one got nice and brown. Let me put these back. I know you're not supposed to turn over your chicken that much, but I haven't cooked chicken in the Instant Pot, so I'm gonna let it cook a little bit longer on the other side. So as you can see, I browned the chicken and I took it out the pan. Now it's time for the mushrooms and onions. So I'm gonna add a little more olive oil to the pan. And then I'm gonna start adding the mushrooms in. So as the mushrooms and onions are simmering, they're picking up all the bits from the bottom of the pan. And then I added a dollop of butter. Butter makes everything better. So just gonna let these cook down some. And then I'll prepare the next steps. Perky, ready to help mommy again? Okay. The next step I did, I added a little bit of tomato paste and I'm letting this cook down some.
Thank you, Harriet.
So now we're gonna add some cornstarch, make like a slurry. I'm just gonna mix the cornstarch in the rest of the chicken stock. Thicken it up.
Hey Google, how much time on the timer?
Okay, stop it. I put the chicken back in the pot. Can you see the chicken?
Hey Google, how much time on the timer?
Put the chicken back in the pot. And now I am going to cut it off of saute. So it's in the liquid, the sauce that we made. I put the chicken back in. Now it's time to grab the Instant Pot lid. Okay, Barbara, probably need you for this one. Okay. So in the meantime, while we wait for the Instant Pot to finish the quick release process, I went ahead and prepared my plate. There's some yellow rice, green onions cut up. Few thoughts about this recipe so far. It takes about 20 minutes. About how long it'll take for well, it's still quicker than the oven. In the oven, it'll take about an hour. to get it really like bone tender. But you do need to go over on the recipe with the liquid to make sure it doesn't give you that burn notice. No pun intended. Yeah, so we'll just wait to see the final results. See, look at that chicken. Should be nice and good and delicious. Let me put that lid down. Take off my glove. Let's see what it do. Got my fork. Don't mind it. Still got tomato paste on it. That chicken. Yum, yum, yum. And then the sauce. Nice and saucy. Yum, yum, yum. Okay, I'm going to add a little more starch to thicken it. The chicken. Final results. Braised chicken with Spanish rice. Yummy, yummy. Did you try the chicken? Blair, did you try the chicken?
I tried it.
What do you think? How did the chicken come out?
Right?
Does it taste like it got seasoning on it?
Yeah.
Okay.